Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. This salmon recipe couldn't be easier, quicker, or more healthy. Let me show you how to make it, and let's get started. This is 1.5 pounds of salmon fillet, and the skin is removed. I give it a quick rinse, dry it with a paper towel, and then cut it into good-sized cubes. 1.5-inch cubes is about right. And I'm trying to add some easy, simple recipes that don't take more than 30 minutes from start to finish. So quick for a weeknight meal or when you don't feel like cooking. And this one actually takes less than 20 in the oven. It's so healthy and delicious. If you like these kind of recipes, please let me know in the comments box below. I finished the whole thing and I'm gonna place in a clean bowl. Season the salmon well to enhance the flavor. I'm gonna start with some salt, black pepper, some dried dill, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and some cayenne for a little bit of spice. And you can absolutely use fresh dill, fresh garlic, whatever you like, but I'm trying to make this recipe as simple as possible with ingredients available in every pantry. I'm gonna add the zest of 1 lemon and the juice of 1 lemon. And like always, I leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. Add 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. Mix very well. And to balance the acidity, I'm gonna add a touch of honey and mix as well. Now I'm gonna mix some veggies, and I have cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna add some salt, add some asparagus, and I cut the asparagus into smaller pieces. Add salt as well, black pepper and olive oil. Give them a little mix and they're gonna be the bed for the salmon. I'm gonna place them in a good sized casserole. Spread the salmon on top, and you can bake right away, or you can leave them to marinate in the fridge until you're ready to cook them. You're gonna bake in a 400-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes. I suggest to keep an eye on it. Don't overcook the salmon where there's all the flavor. And there you have it. As simple as this, you got an amazing little salmon kebabs that are so perfect and so good. I really hope you give this recipe a try. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button so that you won't miss any of my recipes. And follow me on social media. The links are going to be in the description box below. And until next time, bon appétit!